This is a piano tutorial for the classic tune, Joyful, Joyful, We Adore Thee. Now you can tell everybody you played something by Beethoven. And this is really a pretty simple song, even for a beginner. So I'll show you the fingering, which is very simple, really not a lot of moving around here. Third finger starts on a B note. Repeats the same. And then use the second finger there. And that's the only time when you had to do anything unusual is move your thumb down to that D note. So it's 1, 2, 1. And then it does the same thing again. Very simple for the fingering. You start on a G chord, and you're going to do D, G, B like that. There's a D chord, so this is G. By the way, I'm simplifying the chords on this one. If you're using my lead sheet for this online that I referred you to, it has more chords than this, but I'm simplifying them for you. So some of them are different. You start on a G chord, D, G, B. Then it's a D chord, D, F sharp, and A. A G chord again, D, G, B. Back to the D chord, D, F sharp, and A. G again. Then you got a C chord, C, E, G. Back to G again, D, G, B. Back and forth between G and D like this for the next part of the song. So it's D, D, F sharp, and A, G, D, G, B, D, G, D, B. So this is a B chord. It's D sharp, F sharp, and B like that. E minor, E, G, B. A7, E, G, A, F sharp, down to a D chord again, D, F sharp, and A, D chord again, C, G, D, G. So very, very simple there. So work on it hands alone, and when you put it together, it sounds like this.